Uncommon characters. Given two strings A and B, both are in lower case. We have to find the characters which are not common in these two strings. Suppose this is a string given, we have to find the character which is not present in this string. G is present in G. The whole geeks is present in B string geeks. And this gigs also present in this 4 FOR is that which is not present in B. So in output we can see F, O and R. In the string B, geeks is present in string A. So what is there? Quiz, which is not present in A. So Q, U, I and Z will be in our output, but these should be in sorted order. Means alphabetically F come before I come before O. Alphabetically it is sorted. Now see how we will do it. So here we will create a set. Set means which stores only unique element. It doesn't store the duplicate element. So in first what we will do, we will iterate over A and check the element which is not present in B. G present in B. So move further E also present in B string. This E also present, this K also present and this S also present. What is not present? This F is not present in B. So we will add F in our set. O is not present in B string. R is not present in B string. And rest all are present in B string. Now we will iterate over B string. G is present in A. Leave that E also presented. This E, this K, this S. Q is not present in A string, so we will add Q. Then U also not present in A. I also not present in A. And Z also not present in A. So this is our set which is ready. Now we will sort this set into list and convert it into list. So first we will get F and we get I, then we get O, then Q, then R, then U and then Z. Now what we have to do, we have to convert it into string. So we will use join function which convert string, list of strings or list of any integer into a string. The syntax is this. And we have to pass here list. So let's see the code. If I not in B, so we will add I into our set. Now iterate over B. Rs dot add B. Sorry, I. Now we will create a variable result. In this, we will apply join function and pass here sorted rs. This will convert the set into list and convert it into sorted form, and join function will return it as string. Now we will check if result equals to empty string, then we will return -1, else return result. Now run it. Here it should be I.